Welcome! If you've been trying to stay updated with Instagram's latest safety and transparency features, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to turn on notifications for content integrity on the Instagram app when using your PC. This is part of Instagram's newer updates, designed to keep you informed about important account and content-related activity. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all settings without any interruptions. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the bottom left corner. You'll see 3 horizontal lines there. Go ahead and click on those. This will open up a menu with several options. From that menu, select Settings. This is where you can control everything related to your account preferences and notifications. Inside Settings, find and click on Notifications. This section lets you manage how and when Instagram sends you alerts. Next, click on Push Notifications. Here, you'll see a range of notification categories that you can customize. Scroll through the options until you find Content Integrity. This is the feature that keeps you informed about updates related to content moderation, policy changes, or actions affecting your posts. Under Content Integrity, select On. This ensures that you'll receive notifications whenever there are important updates or actions related to your content. And that's it. You've successfully enabled content integrity notifications on Instagram using your PC. Keeping this setting turned on is a smart move if you want to stay aware of how your content is being handled and ensure you don't miss any important updates from Instagram. Thanks for watching.